So you might be trying to figure out how to use the Samsung Galaxy camera that's equipped within your Samsung phone. Now, doing this is actually very basic. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into the camera app that looks like this. You can go and tap on it, and it'll take you into the camera. Now, in the camera, it's situated a pretty, similar way to most other cameras out there. Now, if you look at the very top, you'll have these little quick toggles you can go and kind of, click into. You have the settings app right up here, flash, aspect ratio, and then layers, and then this little live option. You can also change the megapixel count of your photos. At the bottom, you'll basically get a little zoom in and out. So you can use this to basically zoom in and out of your Samsung Galaxy camera. And you'll also have a few more things. You can change it from being a photo to a video by sliding through like this. You can slide it back into spatial, or you can also slide it all the way to the end to get into more. And you can go ahead and click onto all these other options here to basically change out your photo. If you go back, you can see that you'll have this little option here that shows this little photo taking icon. So you can go through and you can take a photo like this, and it will go ahead and basically take a photo. If you hold it down, it will start kind of taking a video like this. So you can go and make a video like this, let go. You can flip your camera around by clicking on this little rotate option right there. And then you have your ability of seeing all your photos. If you click right over here, you'll see all the videos and photos that you've made. So that's basically how you can use the Samsung Galaxy camera. It's really basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.